Hey, welcome back. It's Coach Williams back with another how-to video. And what we're doing today is I'm going to demonstrate how you're supposed to transition from the accelerator to the brake. And I'm going to demonstrate, and hopefully you can see my calf muscle here. And it's going to kind of show you what muscles are actually pushing the gas and what muscles are pushing the brake. So I got a little bitty calf muscle here. Anyway, probably need to work out a little bit more, and it would be more defined. But I want you to see how I am balanced. You notice that my left foot is kind of over out of the way. I'm sitting at, you want to be in the proper ergonomic position for driving. So your hands will be up at 10 and 2 and you won't be able to see that part, but your feet need to be balanced. So when you're driving, you can be relaxed, okay? So you notice that my legs are extended forward. The ball of my foot is what is laying on the accelerator pedal or the gas pedal right now. And when I get ready to accelerate, I'm going to feel that gas pedal before I actually press it. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to add to the momentum of the car once I put it in drive, and I take my foot off the brake over to the gas pedal. In that little split second, the car starts moving forward very slowly. As the car starts to roll slowly, then you just add to, then you would just kind of add to the acceleration of the vehicle, pushing the vehicle forward, okay? So that's how you transition. But you notice that I keep my heel on the floor. And so if I take my foot up, if I push with my toe, then and my foot is not on the floor, what happens is you end up with hard braking. So you want to make sure you keep your heel on the floor, and you want to use this calf muscle. And you can't even really see mine working, but I got one. All right, so, and then here I am laying my foot on the accelerator pedal, and I'm accelerating forward. I go back to the brake, and once again, you can see how I'm just only using that ankle and the calf muscle there. So I'm using the bottom part of my leg to control these two components here. All right, so we're going to continue to make these videos and explanation videos of how to do certain things, and we just that's all we got on this right now. We'll get back with any questions that you might have. You can post it on our news feed, and we'll give you the answers to that as best as we can. We'll start trying to make videos concerning that. But I want you to get, when you're driving, you want to use the ball of your foot. Unless you have a small foot, then you may have to, your foot may be off the ground a little bit, but you still want to lightly press that gas, and you want to feel the brake. When you start braking, you should feel it. You should feel the car pulling you up under the seat. You feel it in the seat of your pants and in your thighs, up under your legs, and you'll feel the car you can feel the car slowing down. You don't want to come to a hard stop. So once again, that's all we got for this right now. Thank you.